Let's solve the equation. So, una natin gagawin is distributive property. So, distribute natin yung negative 5. Ayan. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And negative 5 times negative 4x is positive 20x. And then, bring down muna natin yung negative 6, positive 20x, and negative 9. Okay, so next, bring down muna to, negative 15 plus 20x, and then commutative property, so 20x, and then negative 6 minus 9. So next step, subtraction property. So i-minus natin sa 20x ang both sides. So bring down yung negative 15 plus 20x. So ayun, i-minus natin sa 20x both sides. Minus 20x. And then, pwede natin itong isolve. Negative 6 minus 9 is negative 15. So, ang sunod niyan, bring down negative 15. 20x minus 20x is 0. And then, 20x minus 20x, 0 din yan. And minus 15. So, negative 15 plus 0 is negative 15. 0 minus 15 is negative 15. So, ito yung sagot natin. Negative 15 is equal to negative 15. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong infinite solutions. So, kahit anong real numbers ang i-substitute natin sa x, ay pwede. So, for example,